Our company has imported some advanced equipment, including 12-meter bending machine, plasma automatic welding machine, aluminum spinning machine, 12-meter laser cutting machine. We passed international quality certificates including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 18001, SGS-AS certificates, and obtained patent certificates including electrical operated raising device, wind-driven flagpole device, and LED top finial design. We are the appointed manufacturer of Beijing Olympic Games, Guangzhou Asian Games, Shenzhen Universiade, Shanghai World Exposition, and Beijing Tiananmen Square. Besides, we supplied many flagpoles and light poles to overseas projects such as Turkmenistan Presidential Palace, Kuwait New International Airport, Singapore Youth Olympic Games, Hong Kong East Asian Games, and Dubai FINA Swimming Championship. We made super high stainless steel flagpoles. It was 60-meter high electrical operated wind-driven flagpoles with 360-degree rotating function. If you have any projects of large flagpoles or light poles, our engineer will design according to your requirement and provide installation supervision service for you. With the premium quality and service, we believe that we could establish long-term cooperation relationship with our customers.